Have you ever wondered if the items you place in your home could actually influence your wealth and success? Imagine coming home to a space that doesn't just look beautiful, but also naturally draws prosperity and wards off financial struggle. In today's video, we're exploring powerful Buddhist-inspired items that can help transform your home into a magnet for abundance. Whether it's a simple crystal, a well-placed plant, or the colors you choose, each of these items has been cherished for centuries as symbols of wealth and protection against poverty. Stick around to discover the top 10 pieces you can add to your home to invite financial flow and positive energy. Let's get started. Make sure you watch until the end, because every item I'm about to share is truly powerful, and they each have unique qualities that can attract prosperity into your life. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of these, especially the final item, which is the most important of all. It has a special significance that could be the key to unlocking the abundance you're seeking, so stay tuned right until the last one. Before we begin, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with an affirmation. Right, I welcome wealth and abundance into my home, to set the intention and start attracting prosperity right now. Let's get ready to fill your home with positivity and invite the energy of success. Item 1. Lucky bamboo plant. Let's start with the lucky bamboo plant, a symbol of resilience, growth, and abundance. This plant has been cherished for centuries in both Buddhist and Feng Shui traditions for its ability to attract prosperity and positivity. Its tall green stalks represent strength and the natural flow of wealth into one's life. The beauty of lucky bamboo is that it requires very little maintenance, just a bit of water and indirect sunlight, making it an ideal choice even for those who don't have a green thumb. By placing this plant in your living room or near your home's entrance, you're inviting prosperity to grow and flourish within your space. Beyond its beauty, the energy that lucky bamboo brings is all about steady progress. In Feng Shui, the number of bamboo stalks has specific meanings too. For instance, 5 stalks represent wealth, 6 represent luck, and 8 represent growth. As you watch it grow, it serves as a reminder that prosperity, like a plant, requires nurturing and patience. Now, you might be wondering if there's a way to amplify this effect and add even more energy to your wealth corner. This brings us to our next item, the citrine crystal, also known as the merchant stone. Curious to learn how a gemstone could elevate your home's prosperity vibes? Let's dive in. Item 2. Citrine crystal. Citrine is a powerful crystal recognized for its vibrant golden hue, often called the merchant stone for its reputed ability to attract wealth and abundance. It's believed to enhance financial opportunities, making it a favorite among those looking to invite prosperity. Place citrine in the far left corner of your home, known as the wealth corner according to Feng Shui, where it can amplify the energy of abundance. This crystal doesn't just draw wealth, but also cleanses negative energy, creating a space that supports financial growth and peace. The beauty of citrine lies in its versatility. It can be placed in various rooms, such as your living room, office, or even on a personal altar, subtly boosting your wealth energy with its gentle radiance. Its color represents warmth, optimism, and success, encouraging you to remain positive about your financial journey. After setting up this energetic boost, you might be curious if there's a way to create an even stronger wealth-drawing centerpiece in your home. This brings us to the next item, the wealth bowl, a timeless symbol of prosperity that could transform any corner of your house into a magnet for abundance. Want to know what goes inside this magical bowl? Let's find out. Item 3. Wealth bowl. A wealth bowl, also known as a prosperity bowl, is a powerful decor item that symbolizes abundance and stability. It's traditionally filled with symbolic items such as coins, rice, and small crystals, each chosen to amplify wealth and prosperity energy in your home. Placing a wealth bowl in your living room, entryway, or any prominent place can encourage the steady flow of wealth into your life. One of the beauties of a wealth bowl is that it can be personalized to match your intentions. You might even want to include small items that hold personal significance or represent goals you wish to achieve. By keeping it clean and regularly adding fresh items, you maintain its vibrant energy. Now, if you're wondering whether your decor can visually expand the energy of wealth, our next item is perfect for that. Mirrors, when placed correctly, can reflect and amplify prosperity. Interested in learning how a simple mirror can do that? Keep watching. Item 4. Mirrors. Mirrors are an incredible tool for amplifying the energy of wealth when placed thoughtfully in your home. According to Buddhist teachings and feng shui principles, mirrors symbolize the flow of energy and can visually expand prosperity. When positioned to reflect beauty, like a lucky bamboo or even your wealth bowl, mirrors double the positive energy in the space. Avoid placing them in areas where they might reflect clutter or anything negative, as this can create a sense of disarray or block prosperity. The placement of mirrors near your entryway is especially beneficial, as it can reflect and welcome prosperity into your home. If used mindfully, mirrors also create an illusion of expanded space, which in Buddhist tradition supports the idea that abundance is limitless. With mirrors enhancing the energy flow, you might wonder if there's a specific color that could complement this energy. And there is. Adding gold decor elements brings warmth, wealth, and luxury to your home's energy. Curious about how this color can boost prosperity? Let's explore. Item 5. Gold decor elements. Gold represents wealth, luxury, and positive energy, and adding gold elements to your decor can uplift your home's prosperity. This doesn't mean covering your entire space in gold. A few touches here and there are enough to create the desired effect. Items like gold picture frames, vases, or even a small statue can embody this energy without overwhelming your decor. According to Buddhist teachings, gold decor can help attract abundance and success while creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere. Using gold in moderation is key. The aim is to introduce the color to spaces that could use a vibrancy boost, like your living room or office area. Gold is associated with confidence and strength, making it perfect for areas where you set your intentions for success. It works beautifully alongside your wealth bowl and citrine crystal, as these items reinforce each other's energy. Now, if you're curious about a powerful color to further amplify your home's wealth energy, let's talk about red accents and how they can infuse your space with good fortune. Wondering why red is so special? Let's find out. Item 6. Red lanterns or red accents. In Buddhist and feng shui traditions, red symbolizes good fortune, vitality, and protection. Adding red lanterns or accents, like cushions or vases, can significantly boost the prosperity energy in your home. Placing red accents in key areas of your home, such as the living room or entryway, can enhance the flow of positive energy and create a welcoming atmosphere for prosperity. Red is also a color that symbolizes movement and flow, reminding us to keep the energy in our homes alive and vibrant. It's perfect for areas associated with wealth and relationships, as it can strengthen bonds and help manifest financial success. A single red item, such as a flower or lantern, can make a noticeable difference without overpowering the room. Next, if you're wondering how to add a sense of gratitude and joy into your space, let's move to our next item: wealth gods and Buddhist statues that carry deep spiritual significance. Curious about how these figures can influence your wealth? Let's dive in. Item 7. Wealth gods and Buddhist statues. Displaying statues of wealthy gods or Buddhist figures, such as the Laughing Buddha, is another wonderful way to invite prosperity and joy into your home. Known for his cheerful demeanor, the Laughing Buddha, especially when holding symbols of wealth, represents abundance, positivity, and blessings. In Buddhist tradition, placing these statues in prominent areas, such as on a shelf or near the entrance, serves as a powerful symbol of gratitude and attracts positive energy. These figures remind us that prosperity is not just about material wealth, but also about joy, generosity, and spiritual abundance. By positioning these statues in respectful locations, you create a space where wealth is appreciated and embraced. These symbols inspire a feeling of contentment and gratitude, encouraging you to nurture what you already have while welcoming more blessings into your life. Now that we've set up wealth symbols, you might wonder if there's a way to add harmony through sound. Enter wind chimes, which can dispel negativity and invite good luck. Curious about how this soothing sound can transform your space? Let's take a look. Item 8. Wind chimes. Wind chimes are both decorative and functional, as they attract positive energy and dispel negative vibrations with their soothing sounds. In Buddhist and Feng Shui traditions, wind chimes are believed to act as guardians, creating a serene and harmonious environment. Place them near windows, doorways, or outdoor spaces where they can catch the natural airflow. Their gentle, calming sound encourages peace, relaxation, and positive financial energy in your home. Different types of chimes, whether metal or bamboo, can enhance various aspects of your life. Metal wind chimes are often preferred for wealth and protection, while bamboo is excellent for growth and health. The sound not only elevates your home's energy, but also serves as a reminder to stay mindful and balanced in your financial goals. If you're now wondering about a natural way to boost vibrancy in your home, let's talk about the power of fresh flowers. Want to know how they can enhance abundance? Keep watching. Item 9. Fresh flowers. Fresh flowers are a beautiful way to bring life, vibrancy, and positive energy into your space. According to Buddhist teachings, flowers symbolize growth, joy, and impermanence, a reminder that prosperity can be fleeting if not cared for. Flowers like peonies, orchids, and lilies are particularly associated with prosperity and good fortune. Incorporating fresh flowers into your decor is a natural way to balance your space and keep the energy flowing. Their beauty adds vibrancy and brightness, making your home feel alive and welcoming. Plus, taking the time to care for flowers and replace them when they wilt is a reminder of the importance of nurturing and appreciating your resources. Now, for the final item, if you're curious about a powerful way to wrap up this wealth-attracting setup, let's explore the significance of candles in enhancing prosperity energy. Ready to discover why the last item is truly the most essential? Let's dive in. Item 10. Candles. Candles represent illumination, warmth, and transformation, making them the perfect final touch for a home that attracts prosperity. The gentle flicker of candlelight creates an ambiance of peace and mindfulness, drawing attention to your intentions for wealth and success. Placing candles in your wealth corner or near items like the citrine crystal and wealth bowl can amplify their energy, illuminating the path to abundance. Choose candles in colors associated with prosperity, such as green for growth or gold for wealth, to align with your financial goals. In Buddhist teachings, candles symbolize the light of wisdom and the release of negative energy, clearing the path for prosperity to flow freely. With these 10 items thoughtfully arranged in your home, you've created an environment filled with wealth-attracting energy, grounded in both intention and tradition. Now it's time to sit back, enjoy the positive vibes, and watch as prosperity flows effortlessly into your life. Incorporating these items into your home can create an environment that naturally attracts wealth, prosperity, and positivity. Each piece holds its own energy, and together they form a powerful foundation for abundance. With intention and mindfulness, you're now set to welcome financial blessings into your life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your affirmation. I attract wealth and abundance with ease.